Okay, so I got some gelatin powder. Check it out. This gelatin powder is a special powder. It's for cooking. Okay, and if you look here, it's free from any dairy, egg, fish, all that stuff. Okay, so very clean gelatin powder. And I did a review of this protein powder before. It actually tastes and smells very good. Okay, so it tastes like it's basically vanilla caramel type of flavor. So what I'm gonna make is I'm gonna make a sort of healthy Jello. So I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dissolve the gelatin and then try to dissolve this too into some water. Make sure it's nice, and this doesn't dissolve that well, so it takes time to get this dissolved really well. So once it's dissolved, then I can mix it with this mixture and sort of make a healthy protein-rich gelatin or Jello that's protein-rich. And I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, like I said, so stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I got my bowl here. I'm definitely not a baker or anything like that, just going to let you know. So here's the protein powder that I'm going to use. I'm just going to add it to some not warm water, sorry, some room temperature water, and let that dissolve. And not a lot of water. I just need enough for the flavoring agent part, right? So one whole scoop should be enough here. And this protein powder is really good at flavoring things. So I'm gonna get that done, get this dissolved, add some water to it, and then I'll be back. And then I'm gonna put the gelatin into some warm water, get that dissolved. Alright, so here it is, guys. I am trying to dissolve it, so it's gonna take a while. So I'll be back. Right. As you can see, I put some of the gelatin in there, so it's just dissolving right now. And then I'm going to add it to the mixture I have with the protein powder, and I'll put it in the fridge and show you what it looks like. Probably it's going to take about 4 to 5 hours after that. Okay, so I added the mixture to the protein powder. It's all mixed in, and now we just wait. So let's see how this turns out, guys, and see if it actually tastes any good. I'll be back. Alright, guys, so here's that protein Jello, and it took about, I would say, 4 hours for it to solidify. I put a lot of gelatin so I can see what it would be like to make gummy bears in the future. So let's do a quick taste test. Here we go. You know, actually tastes pretty good. It's very decent. It has the flavor of the vanilla caramel protein powder. It's not overly powdered. It's not overly sweet. It just has a hint of it, and it tastes like you're eating really thick Jello. Definitely check it out, guys. It actually turned out better than I thought. I could make it more watery next time, and that might improve the texture. But if you have questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.